Left for dead by another shop, this Touareg W12 seemed beyond saving. But what if we told you it wasn't? With 2 weeks of precision work, we proved them wrong. Come with us and see how we fix this car.
It's hunger that drives me.
Two weeks of work, and this car is alive again. If you enjoyed the journey, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.